Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a guest in Central Asia? Let me tell you, it's an experience you'll never forget. Hospitality isn't just a tradition here. It's a sacred duty, deeply woven into the culture. The old saying goes, a guest is a gift from God, and they truly live by it. Imagine walking into a home, whether it's a modern apartment in Tashkent or a yurt on the Kyrgyz steppe. The first thing you'll be offered is a warm greeting and a place of honor. This special spot, the tur, is usually the furthest from the door, and it's reserved for the most respected guests. Then comes the food, and oh, the food. It starts with the destarkan, a beautifully laid out tablecloth overflowing with snacks. You'll find fresh fruits, nuts, sweets, and of course, naan bread. Breaking bread is a powerful symbol of friendship and unity. The host will break the bread and offer you a piece first. It's important to never place the bread face down on the table, as it's considered disrespectful. Next, you'll be served tea. Green tea, or kok choy, is the drink of choice. Your host will pour the tea into a small bowl, called up. Don't be surprised if they only fill it halfway. This is actually a sign of respect. A full bowl means they want you to drink up and leave, but a half-full bowl means they want you to stay. Keep talking, and enjoy their company, as they'll keep refilling it for you. The main event is often a grand, communal dish like plov, or besh. Plov, that incredible rice pilaf, with meat and carrots, is more than just a meal. It's a centerpiece of celebration and community. Eating from a shared platter reinforces the bonds between everyone at the table. And here's a tip. When you're offered food, it's polite to accept. Refusing can be seen as rejecting the host's generosity. You don't have to eat everything, but taking a small portion shows your appreciation. The generosity is immense. Your host will offer you the best of what they have, even if they have very little. This incredible hospitality is a cornerstone of life across Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan. It's a beautiful reminder that human connection, shared meals, and open hearts are universal languages. So, if you ever get the chance to visit Central Asia, embrace the experience with an open mind and an empty stomach. You'll leave with not just a full belly, but a full heart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cultural explorations.